Hello, lovely people. Welcome back. Thank you all for returning to Viber's Kitchen. Today on our menu, we have a Ghanaian dish called Annwa or oil rice. Guys, I'm so happy to share with you my recipe, and I believe you'll be inspired to try this right away. Anyway, I hope you are all doing great by the grace of God. Come on into my kitchen, join me, and let's make this quick and leave the kitchen right away. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce you to all my ingredients, and they are the white and red onion. I love the combination of these two in my dishes. I've also got my salted tilapia and salted beef. I have my jasmine rice and coconut milk. Guys, I have also got my spaghetti. So now let's go ahead and add our olive oil to the saucepan. And when the oil is hot, we will then add our salted beef and salted tilapia. We will then let it fry, release its aroma and flavor in the oil until it turns golden brown. Oh my goodness, this house smells heavily already. So it's now time to add the red and white onion. Give it a good stir, okay, to avoid it being burned. And also, guys, I'm going ahead to add the spaghetti and let it fry together and turn golden brown together. Okay, so if you are new on my channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I believe you are enjoying this video, so stick and stay, be inspired, and join this beautiful family by clicking on the red subscribe button and also clicking on the bell button. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for returning. I believe you are also being inspired to give your girl a big thumbs up, share this video, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. So now I'm going to head to add my rice because I've gotten the color that I want for my spaghetti. So now I'm adding the jasmine rice, which I've taken my time to wash very well because I don't want it to stick together. So now, guys, keep on stirring as always to combine everything beautifully. I'm going ahead to add my coconut milk. Oh wow, I love the beautiful aroma and flavor of this. Oh my goodness, I cannot even describe it. It's so heavenly, guys. I love this beautiful combination. I hope you try this. So guys, keep on stirring, and then when you are all done with stirring it, you add a little bit of curry powder. Oh my goodness, this is how I make my curry rice, except that I don't add the spaghetti. Okay? So guys, keep watching till the end and be inspired. This is a popular request by my daughter Janelle. And guys, as she requested it, I thought of you guys. So I hope you like this simple but amazing recipe. And whenever you try it, please bring me the feedback and I will really appreciate it. Okay, so keep stirring, add the water to your desired level. Go ahead and add salt to taste. Combine by stirring everything beautifully together. And lovely people, once that is done, cover the rice up and let it cook to perfection. I love the beautiful aroma and flavor of this rice. So now let's check the state of the rice and see how far we are with the rice. Oh my goodness, this is so heavily. Interesting. This rice is inviting and mouth-watering. Guys, this is just how I love to cook my rice. It's so perfect for me. So let's leave it for it to cook some more, okay? Now onto our vegetables. I have my fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, squash bonnet pepper, and then the white onions. I'm going to put them in the blender, add salt to taste, and then blend it, okay? Whilst it's blending, let's go ahead and crack our eggs because we're going to fry our eggs, okay? I'm going to add sardine to the eggs, okay? So I'm adding the red bell pepper, spring onions, white onions, squash bonnet pepper, and then sardine to the eggs, okay, guys? And then fry it. This is a simple Ghanaian dish which is mostly eaten in the afternoons, especially from where I was brought up. Yes, after school when there is no lunch and you are feeling so hungry, you can just quickly put some rice on the cooker and make yourself this simple yet amazing recipe and wait for supper or dinner. So guys, if you are being inspired, please like and share this video. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Are you inspired yet? If the answer is yes, then please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this beautiful family where we always enjoy appetizing recipes. Lovely people, where are your plates? Because lunch is almost ready and about to be served. Okay? Ta-da! Interesting. This is so flavorful. I love the aroma. Oh my goodness, guys. I wish you were here to taste this amazing rice. But no worries. Get you all of these ingredients and mix them for yourself. I'm so elated to have shared this amazing, simple recipe with you. And whenever you try this, please bring me the feedback and I will really appreciate it. So you can recreate this and make it your own. You can add salad to it. You can add fried plantain. You can just make it your own, okay? But guys, this recipe is amazing. So don't forget to try this and bring me the feedback. I am in love with this rice. The flavor is so on top and it tastes so amazing. As I said, this is a popular request by my daughter Janelle, and she likes her food simple. So there is no need for the extras. So guys, just make it your own if you want. Add all the extras and yes, enjoy it. The recipe is amazing and I'm so much loving this. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, and guys, oh, I cannot wait to enjoy this rice. So I have to go right now. I have to leave, okay? Take care. Bye bye, you all. Mwah. Kiss. Enjoy.